Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is my Crafty Country. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. On this channel, I try to do Dollar Tree, mainly pretty much only Dollar Tree. There you will see different things like paints and a few odds and ends supplies that I may get at Walmart or Joann's. But if I do, I will make sure to let you know, and I will link them in the comments of that video. So if you enjoy doing crafty home decor, gifts, like I just got through doing a bunch of gift baskets for Christmas from Dollar Tree. If you enjoy things like that, then you've come to the right place. So before you leave, I hope you consider hitting that like button and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you will get notified when I upload a video. And if you really love the video, share it on your Facebook, your Instagram, wherever you share. That way I can get my channel out there and continue to grow. So in today's video, now that Christmas is over, I love Christmas, don't get me wrong, I do, but it's like, I know I'm not the only one. It's like the day after Christmas, or when you get home from all your Christmas runarounds, you breathe. In today's video, I made a heart sign. It's a love sign for Valentine's Day. I know it's 2 months away, but I gotta get started early, right? So Dollar Tree has their Valentine's stuff coming out. And I know that I looked on the website and there are quite a few new things, so you might keep checking in. If there's something you're looking for, you pretty much have to check in at the Dollar Tree every week, just a heads up. So with all that being said, I will just jump straight into this DIY, and I hope you like it. Make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. For this DIY, you're going to need one of these heart-shaped Wi-Fi signs you can get at Dollar Tree. They have them year-round, so I snagged up a couple before all the Valentine's Day stuff hit the store. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove the twine from the top and this little chalkboard strip at the bottom. This strip is held down with like little staple nails, little tiny ones. So after you remove this, you're going to want to either try to get your pliers and pull those out, or I just used my hammer and bent them over and smashed them down. So I was originally going to use this chalkboard piece, so I was sanding the paper off the back to where it would be a more smooth surface. Then I smoothed the front of the heart with some sandpaper, and then I proceeded to paint the entire heart with Waverly chalk paint, and I believe this is the color Ivory. You can use obviously whatever color you want. Then I used some of the Elephant Gray chalk paint to distress it a little bit, and added the love sticker to the front, which the love stickers come in a pack where I think it's love, hope, and faith. So I just stuck that to the front. If you wanted to Mod Podge it down, you could. That might, ensure that it doesn't go anywhere. Then I got some twine and glued it to the back, and then wrapped it around the entire sign, I don't know, like 6 or 8 times. Then after I got done, I snipped it and glued it back to the back to where it would hold. And then I made a bow out of the twine. Now all I did was I grabbed the twine and I wrapped it around my hand like 6 or 8 times. Got a separate piece of twine and just tied a knot around the middle to make it look like a little bow. Now you'll see here when I get ready to pull my knot tight, I had it all but pulled tight, and I shot a little bit of hot glue in there just to ensure that it wouldn't come apart. So here is where I twist it and put a little hot glue, pull it tight, and then I just flipped the sign over and hot glued it to wherever I wanted on that strip of twine. I put it off to the side and turned it a little bit sideways. I thought it looked really cute. Then I used another piece of twine that probably about 6 to 8 inches long, tied it into a loop, and then used the knot of that loop and glued it to the center on the back to give it just a cute little hanger. Now this heart, I really love it. It really turned out really cute and kind of farmhousey, not your traditional pinks and reds of Valentine's Day. because honestly, I don't decorate a whole lot for Valentine's Day, but this is something that I could hang up and really love in my home. So I hung it on my china cabinet and I thought it looked super cute. So if you have any questions about this DIY, make sure to post them in the comments below. I will post a link to the paint down below. I found it at Walmart. And this is one of many Valentine DIYs to come. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. And hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.